What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because NIO is very well documented on this channel. And also make sure you hit the like button because that really does go a long way in helping out the channel. So today we're going to be talking about NIO Stock. It's currently 5:56 p.m. Eastern Time here in Michigan. And the stock is currently trading at $18.10, up 6.22% for the day. So the news that we have here today is that NIO, alongside the Hefei government, plans to build 40 battery swapping stations between 2020 and 2021. This year, they will set up 20 of the 40 battery swapping stations, which will be built on government property, such as public parking lots. So I think that once again, this just speaks to the advantage that NIO has by having the backing of the government. The government literally has a vested interest in NIO. Back in April, when NIO was facing financing troubles, several state-owned companies gave NIO a $1 billion investment. This is where the shell company NIO China came from. And in that shell company, NIO put its China-owned assets and businesses into it, which left NIO with about a 75% ownership stake in that company. These investors as a 24.1% stake. As we all know, I've done a couple videos on this topic, but as of NIO's latest stock offering, they plan on buying back what they gave up. For $600 million, which was raised through the stock offering, they will be getting back a 1.9% stake in NIO China. For an additional $357 million, they plan on buying out some certain shareholders of NIO China, which will give them up to an 8.6% stake back in NIO China. I did a few videos on this topic in depth and gave it a little bit more coverage. If that's what you're looking for, you can find it on the channel. But going back to the Hefei government helping them build swapping stations, as of the most recent update, NIO has completed 800,000 battery swaps. Battery swapping is well received in China, and it's also been in the government's work papers to say that they will support battery swapping. So 3 things. China is the biggest EV market in the world. The government is supporting NIO and its endeavors, such as battery swapping. And 3, NIO has patented technologies around its battery swapping mechanism. Today's news, in my opinion, is a demonstration of why it's going to be tough to compete with NIO in China. I think just yesterday or a few days ago, William Li actually said that Tesla is not insurmountable. So that's why I'm such a fan of electric vehicles, because there really is this race to be the dominant provider. And I think because Tesla is certainly leading the race, but with NIO being in China, it's obviously home court advantage. So I don't think we should count NIO out in China. Now, who wins ultimately and comes in first place across the globe, we'll just have to see. But one thing's for sure, the market is big enough for multiple players. And I almost forget to mention that there are subsidies to make these vehicles cheaper. The Chinese Tesla Model 3 did qualify for subsidies as well. But in my opinion, there's just going to be even more support to come from the Chinese government as it pertains to NIO. But don't get it misconstrued. This company still has its risk. It's not a blue chip stock. It's still a startup company. Plenty of hurdles that NIO has to overcome, and those serve as risk for investors. So don't be naive and think that this is just going to be an easy ride. You could certainly lose money investing in NIO. So it's important that you do your due diligence and consider the risk. If NIO rolls out their second generation of battery swapping like planned next year, then that means that the Hefei government will be likely to help in building some of those battery swapping stations. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.